Spectacular flooding in Fernán Núñez, Cordoba, Spain, after the breakage of a collector due to heavy rains, March 11, 2025. A downpour on Tuesday afternoon in Fernán Núñez caused a sewer to burst, flooding Arenal Street in this town in the Cordoba countryside. The accident occurred around 5:15 p.m. and left spectacular images of an impressive flood inundating the entire street. The mayor, Alfonso Alcaide, explained that one of the municipality's main collectors, of large diameter, could not withstand all the rain that it had to channel during the afternoon and ended up bursting. As a result, all the water ended up flooding the street. This is the first time that an incident of this nature has occurred on this road since the new collector was installed. There were no injuries reported, but there was some material damage on Arenal Street, as the mayor noted, particularly to the ground floor. Once the water receded, it was possible to see how the burst drain had caused a pothole in the street surface. During the afternoon of this Tuesday, more than 40 liters per square meter were collected in Fernán Núñez in just a few minutes, with intense hail also being recorded at times.